Welcome ladies and gentlemen to sqadia.com. My name is Mohammad Osama and today we are talking about functions of the hand in anatomy. In this lecture we're going to talk about the bones and joints, and we're going to overview them because it is very important to understand the bony anatomical structures so that we can understand the functioning of the hand. So in that we're going to talk about the different bones that are involved in the making up of the wrist and the hand region. And we're also going to talk about the different joints, including the joints of the wrist as well as the joints of the digits, including both fingers and thumb. Moving on, we're going to talk about the overview of the muscles involved in different functions of the hand, which involves both the intrinsic muscles and the extrinsic muscles. In intrinsic muscles, we have both the the flexors, which are arise from the common region in the forearm, and similarly the extrinsic extensors as well. And we're also going to talk about the intrinsic muscles of the hand, which have their origin, insertion, and function at the level of the hand. Moving on, we're going to talk about the functions, and when we talk about the functions, we're going to talk about the general functions of the hand, as well as we're going to focus on both the prehensile functions and non-prehensile functions of the hand. And talking about the prehensile functions, which is one of the most important and significant functions of the hand, we're also going to talk about the different types of grips or the prehension functions that the hand can perform, including both the power grips and precision grips. Then in the power grips, we are further going to take a look at the different types of power grips, including the cylindrical grip, the spherical grip, and the hook grip, as well as the precision grips, and we're going to talk about and individually look at the pad-to-pad grip, tip-to-tip grip, pad-to-side grip, and the lumbrical grip. So that's pretty much all about the topics that we are actually going to cover in this section regarding the functions of the hand. And stay tuned to sqadia.com for more information on this. Thank you very much.